Hi, one of my favorite things are hostas, and you will know that I love them because I have a garden bed full of them. They are an awesome plant. So these are your hostas, and they produce these beautiful purple flowers. They are a perennial, so they come back every year. And what I love, one of the things I love about hostas, look how huge this guy is. Some of them grow so big and beautiful. What I love about them is they're very tolerant to shade. They love to be in the shade. In fact, if you have them in too much sun, they'll actually turn brown. The leaves will turn brown and they'll start to fade. So they do love the shade. You can do partial to full shade. So they're awesome if you have, like, I have them under a tree right now where almost nothing grows except these beautiful hostas. So they grow bigger and better every year. So you have to make sure that you check how large they're going to grow, because they will take over your whole garden. They're just so big and so beautiful. These are great for zones 3 to 9. So check your zone on Google, see what your zone is. And what a zone is it tells you what will grow in your area. So these will grow in zones 3 to 9, which is awesome because that includes just about everybody. Now these little guys love lots of water. They absorb water very quickly and they like lots of it. So don't be afraid to water your hostas because they love it. And they like to have mulch. It's good to put mulch underneath them. You see these great big leaves? You can hide mulch underneath. And what I do is I put lawn clippings underneath there after I've mowed the lawn. And that keeps the soil moist and it keeps the roots nice and cool. So yes, one of my very favorite things, hostas. They are awesome. You have a great day.